Hi, this is Ken Berridge with IBM's Unified Governance and Integration team. In this light board, I'll be discussing IBM's complete test data management family of software solutions. You know, customers tell us that time to market to release new software capabilities often suffers because of the large amount of time it takes to conduct thorough software testing. And very often the chief culprit in testing faster is the delays associated with getting the right production-like data loaded into test environments when and where it's needed, often consuming 50% or more of the overall time needed for testing. This can cause QA teams to conduct testing with out-of-date or stale data that doesn't closely match production. This can result in testers missing critical software defects, which then make their way into production. They can have a negative business impact. IBM's complete test data management family of software solutions provides self-service capabilities that can be combined to reduce testers' reliance on data management teams to make current production-like test data available to them, taking a process that sometimes can take days, weeks, or longer down to only a couple of minutes. The ability to create near-instant production database clones can be combined with IBM's masking solution to anonymize sensitive data values, plus a database subsetting solution to create smaller, referentially intact subsets of production databases. Then, if in some cases you don't have any data to clone for production, or maybe you just prefer not to clone your production databases, IBM provides a solution to fabricate rich synthetic test data. And finally, we offer a unique solution to help testers calculate the exact test data coverage they need for their test cases, match it to real data in your environment, and then inject test input data directly into your automated testing tools. And while IBM's test data management solution can be configured a number of different ways based on your priorities and maturity level, most customers start by using IBM InfoSphere Virtual Data Pipeline Solution, also known as VDP, which I show here, to create a one-time snapshot of their production database, which are then incrementally kept in sync with production, so you never need to do it again. This ensures testers always have the latest production data available without the need to request a refresh from the data management team. And once VDP has a copy of your data, testers can near instantly provision their own virtual copy of the database to a point in time of their choice. And what's especially significant is that the copy doesn't consume any incremental storage. So there's a big savings both in speed of provisioning and reduction in infrastructure cost. Once you've captured your data with VDP, IBM InfoSphere Optum Data Privacy Solution, which I show here, can be used to anonymize any personally identifiable information, like Social Security or credit card numbers. The solution provides a wide variety of out-of-the-box and customizable masking functions that replace sensitive data values with contextually accurate fictitious values. So a real credit card number is replaced with a fictitious credit card number that is still valid for testing. Then if on some projects testers need a full copy of production database, or don't need a full copy of production database, which can sometimes impact tester productivity and testing cycle times, IBM InfoSphere Optum Test Data Management Solution, which I've drawn here, can be used to extract referentially intact subsets of a database which closely meets your testing requirements. If you're developing a new application, you may not have any data to clone for production yet. Or maybe you decide that production data is just too sensitive to copy to lower environments, even with masking. IBM InfoSphere Optum Test Data Fabrication, which I've drawn here, can be used to generate rich synthetic data to fill in the data gaps. It's a rules-driven solution with built-in AI features to resolve complex data constraints so that generated synthetic data closely matches testing requirements. And then once you have your test data exactly the way you want it, testers can use VDP again to rapidly provision or refresh virtual copies directly to their sandbox environments. Once your test data is provisioned, IBM InfoSphere Optum Test Data Orchestrator, which I've drawn here, will help exactly match test data to the test cases based on test data coverage analysis. We'll then inject the test input data directly into automated testing tools to help drive fully automated testing. So in a nutshell, IBM's complete test data management family can help you complete more and higher quality software testing, faster and at less cost by giving testers the test data they need when and where they need it. The result is your organization can achieve a quicker time to market with higher quality software capabilities that you need to improve business efficiencies, reduce costs, and ensure your competitive advantage. If you'd like to learn more, please visit us at ibm.com/optum or contact your IBM sales representative. Thank you.